You were walking me, but you're choking me. I was so obsessed. Give you all of me, and now honestly I got nothing left. I love you dangerously. Oh. I love you dangerously. More than the air that I breathe. Knew we would crash at the speed that.
Sapa.
Knew we would crash at the speed.
Huwag mo kasi ipitin sa lalamunan. Naiipit yung boss mo sa lalamunan. Bitin mo daw yung chest voice mo.
Paano yan? Just push
Sige,
na.
gawin mo, gawin mo.
I love you dangerously. Sorry. Wala lang ano to.
Dali na.
Knew we would crash at the speed.
Hindi nga ganun. Na 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 speed na 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 ganun.
Pwede mo ipasal.
Speed.
Pwede mo ipasal na lang. Speed that we were going.
Di naman
Till I
yung
get it.
Ulitin pa.
Kasi hindi talaga kaya. Yun lang kasi yung range ng boses ko.
Iniipit mo kasi sa lalamunan. Huwag mo
Parang
iipit sa
speed.
lalamunan.
Like speed. Pwede ba baba yung speed?
Speed na 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 na. Speed.
Speed.
Huwag mo dito iipit sa lalamunan.
Till I get it.
Speed. Kaya paano?